Today, I'm on Buckland Road and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this recently refurbished 4-bedroom end-of-terrace home, benefiting from a desirable corner plot and offered to the market with no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.